Hey everyone, it's me again. Anyway, Black Swan, I'm back again with another wig review, and this is from DsoarHair. I've worked with them several times. This time, they sent me a bonnet, which I always need one, and then also the standard lashes because they usually send lashes with the package. And in the video, I'm not wearing it though, so but they're cute lashes. So this is the wig on the inside. You see it has an adjustable strap at the back, so it's big and small head friendly. If you have a bigger head, you can just cut the stitching off of the adjustable strap, or you can just tuck it underneath the wig if you like. So before I actually put the wig on, I am going to fully wash the wig. I'm not going to just co-wash it like I usually do, and I'm just going to put it on. This is how the wig looks freshly washed. This is a 13 by 4 lace wig, and it is a Brazilian straight and 180% density. Because it's over 100% density, I wanted to put some curtain bangs in the wig, and then also it keeps me from having to bleach the knots and also stain the lace, which you will need to do with this particular wig, because the lace did not match my skin tone. So to start this is actually a super easy way to spruce up an old wig and or finesse any of your wigs that you get. And this wig is like perfect to get. So I do the standard ball cap, glued it on, and I did go ahead and as you can tell by the previous clip, I did go ahead and put a hot comb so I can get some of the flyaways out of the way. So when I'm cutting it and measuring it and gluing it down, the stuff is, not in the way of the flyaway hair, because that can get kind of annoying. So I did have to adjust the ears so I could tuck it behind the ears. I'm pretty sure I might have did that off camera because like it was just like one side, because I do have a smaller head, and I didn't put as much glue. I just made sure that I covered the perimeter pretty with a pretty good amount, but I didn't take it like half an inch back like I've done previously, because I really wasn't planning to wear this wig for like a long time. I literally was just gonna wear it for like 2 days max and then take it off, because I'm trying to let my natural hair breathe a little bit. But this hair, when I'm done, I can't wait for y'all to see. It looks so freaking cute with the bangs. Okay, so now I am just taking my time and gently laying that lace forward. I'm starting with the middle because sometimes I be having like, like where it starts to like scrunch up. I don't know if y'all ever get that, but where the lace will start to kind of crinkle. So what I do is I try my best to lay it down without stretching the wig, because stretching the wig will also give you like the crinkles. Then I start from the middle and I work my way out. So now I'm just taking the hair and I'm gonna measure it. But before I can accurately measure it, I do have to hot comb it again so it can, be accurate, because like it's not gonna be a clean cut if it has a little volume, if it's not laying down flat. So I went ahead and divided it in the middle, like is that your temple? Your soft spot? That part, girl. So I divided at the soft spot, and then after I did that, it's laying down straight. So what I'm gonna do is just part it in the middle and then just measure it where I want the bangs to stop. And that's gonna be my cutting point. And because I am scared and I'm not a professional, I'm actually going to cut just a little bit lower than the part of the hair that I measured out. So, because it's easier to cut shorter than if you already have it cut. So I just keep measuring out. Oh yeah, and then also I use my fingers to measure the width, and I went with the width of my eyes. So I took my fingers and then, just swooped it up from the eye area, so I know it's going to be even on both sides. So also, what you want to do when you're cutting it, you want to twist the hair one, just like loop it over, like not a double twist, just so the back is facing the front. So now you have the gradual fall for the bang. Am I describing this good? I don't know. I feel like I'm the drama. I don't know. But yeah, and then so now I'm just gonna hack at the frame. So I have like a nice frame around my face. So when I'm doing this, I'm starting at my chin and I'm just moving downward from my chin. And trust me, it is not a perfect, probably not even type of situation, because, you know, like, I'm not both handed like that. So but that's like the easiest way for me to do it. But every time I do it, the hair comes out really, really nice. And then I just keep going back with the hot comb just to make sure that everything is laying down like I would like it. The bangs did come out a little longer, but I'm gonna go back and cut it just a little bit more. So now, for me to like get a good measure of how the layers are looking like, I am gonna like put some curls in it just to see, just so I can gauge it. And if I like it, I'll go ahead and style the rest of the hair. But that's how I do my curtain bangs, and they look really, really cute. I always get a lot of compliments on it. When I'm curling the hair, I do the back and forth where I'm curling towards my face and then I'll do another curl away from my face, so it'll have kind of like a messy, beachy kind of look, because I do like the messy hair look. Okay, it turned out great. Like, you know, I said, I'm telling you, this method is like foolproof, and this is not even me cutting it to perfection like some people can. I just do what I can, and I try to make it as simple as possible. But as you can see, the layers lay down really, really nice. And so now I went ahead and put on a little makeup, and I'm styling it fully, starting from the bottom and parting it up in sections and then curling it back and forth like I was doing earlier. So yeah, I'm just putting the finishing touches, curling the bangs, all that kind of stuff. When the curls fall, then it has that natural beach wavy look. Right now, I don't like the curls as defined as they are as soon as I curl it. I like the curls to let it look probably like 30 minutes after I ran my hands through the hair. But that's just me being like particular. But yeah, like it turned out so good. And then this hair being so soft, it had no shedding, none, child, no shedding. And also, the quality of hair when you're doing styles like this really does increase the quality of, not the quality, increase the look of, you know, these messy hairstyles, because, you know, if it's not good hair, it's gonna look wiggy. It's gonna look really wiggy. So I loved it. I love this hair. I love this hairstyle. And also, if you're one of the people that get irritated by the lace, sometimes what I'll do is I'll put the lace in hot water and fabric softener, and then just let the lace soften up a little bit so it won't be so irritated. So if you're one of the people, try that. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, so this is how the hair looks finished, cut and styled. Super easy to do. Super easy, like the curtain bang. Like, I hope I explained it good enough for you to like know that anyone can do it if, you know, you have at least an ounce of patience. So I feel like I'm moving my phone around too much. But yeah, this hair, it feels really, really light. This wig cap is super big head friendly. So if you do have a small hair, they did put the extra adjustable bands as you saw earlier in the video. And this turned out really, really cute. It really did. You can shag it up a little bit more by taking, you know, I took the layers and just did one. You can do that. Like, if I wanted to make it more shaggy, I would take another strip right above not at the bang, but right above where I cut the hair, separate that part and do the same thing. So I have more of a layered look, so you can like make it more shaggy. And yeah, I like the cap construction. It fits really nice. It's not snug. I do have a little bit extra in the back, but not to the point to where it's noticeable or I had to make major adjustments to the hair. Yeah, this is really cute. I do suggest that bleach the knots and definitely give the knots a bleaching. But for me, I didn't feel like I needed to because hello, I cut the bangs in, and then also I didn't feel like I was lazy. I didn't feel like putting bleach in it. So I will probably give this wig an 8 out of 10. The hair quality is really nice though. I can tell already that if I wear this inconsistently for a year, I can probably make it last me 2 years. And it looked really good and brand new. But I baby my wigs. Like when I take them off, I make sure that I put them back in some type of package. Like I put them in a plastic bag or the box or something like that to preserve it. I don't like to keep a lot of them just thrown around. I might throw it around, like that might be just laying around somewhere, but they're, you know, I'm gonna make sure that I comb it out and wash it and then put it back in the box and before wearing it again, and then using hair products that are hydrating to the wig. So yeah, it's really cute. Tell me what you think down in the comments. I hope this helped you. I hope this video helped you on your decision for your next wig purchase. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.